So we are screwing on big ones in this video, and yesterday I got my hair done. I'm sorry I said I was gonna record for y'all, but I couldn't cause they didn't want me to record me, so I had called before I had said something. So y'all had got brown and black in my hair. Got the little curls at the bottom. Oh yeah, and yesterday I got my eyebrows waxed. Me, my mom, and my grandma. And me, my mom, and my grandma had got our nails done. These my nails. Yeah, like these my nails. And my mama had my mama and me had got our hair done. My grandma ain't got her hair done because her hair was already done. So yo. And right now I'm eating some snacks. These sweet heat something. It's from Golden Flakes. It's not it. Some sweet heat barbecue chips. And I got me some mini Starburst. Yesterday, y'all didn't get y'all text, baby. What y'all doing? My grandma got text yesterday, but my mama did because I don't know what they waiting for. Huh? Alright. But yeah, I had one outside to go get my sister, my dad. And like I was saying, I had got these mini. I'll show y'all these. And I had got these Taki Pringles Faygo. Crisp. Oh, it's Taki's Crisp Faygo. Crisp Faygo. And I had got this in my hair. Oh yeah, and one day I'm gonna wear that outfit right there with this little brown clip, cause my hair and my outfit and this is brown. I see what shoes. I'm probably gonna wear some white shoes, some white dunks or something. But I'm gonna eat these. I forgot I said my little Jackson. So they was off. I didn't even look. And I got me a why would they do that? Y'all could have filled it up tomorrow. Y'all need, oh my god. They got this little pineapple orange tango. Y'all like, how y'all open drinks with long nails and short nails? You see? This part right here. You take the tip in there like that and you pop it open. I'm gonna show y'all. Hold on, I think I could. I never opened a drink. with a nail. So I like, I don't know. I'm just gonna try. I'm just gonna try it first. I can't do it. I'm not gonna ask my mom to do it for me because I need to learn. I can't do it. Got it. I got it, y'all. Yes, I got it. I got it. Without using my teeth. Yeah, I know it ain't work when I have using my teeth. Okay, but I ain't got it. Yeah, I kinda got it. Yeah, on me up. Can y'all send me some snacks? I'll give y'all my stuff in the comments. I get my mailbox address. Y'all can put it in my mailbox. It's gonna come to my house. Y'all coming to my house every Friday. Every this is my 80th time trying these chips. I'm just gonna try them on camera for y'all. I got peppers and lime. Let me stop playing. I like them. Okay. I get a drink of 10 out of 10. These 9 out of 10. The mini Starburst. 7 out of 10. The golden flake chips. I'm scared to try these. Let me stop playing. I ain't scared. I'm 5 out of 10. Yeah, did I enjoy the video with me trying snacks? But yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Bye.